Okay, hi everybody. This is the Math 31 Derivatives Review, question 1V. Have to take the derivative of this, and I can see right away I'm not going to expand this out. I am definitely going to use the product rule and the chain rule here. We're just going to jump right into the derivative. So the derivative of the first term will be 3, 2x squared plus 1 squared times 4x times 2x squared minus 2 to the 4. Okay, so all I did was take the derivative of that first term, but it required the chain rule. I am going to add to that. Now I'm going to run out of room here real quick. It'll be the first term, 2x squared plus 1 cubed. The derivative of this one is going to be 4 times 2x squared minus 2 cubed, multiplied by the derivative of what's inside, which will end up being 4x. Okay, so that's kind of long here. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. Now, we are going to take out of this what's common here. So in terms of my coefficients, I've got a 3 and a 4, so I've got 12 here, and I've got 16. So I'm going to take out a common 4. We've got the x common, and then we've got the 2x squared plus 1. I just got to take a look. It's going to be squared, because that's the smallest exponent. And then 2x squared minus 2 cubed, because that's the smallest exponent. Now, multiplied by, okay, what's left over here? Well, I've got a 3. I took out the 2x squared plus 1. I took out the 4x, and I took, I'm left with 1 factor of 2x squared minus 2. Plus, what did I take out here? Well, I took out the 4x, so I'm left with the 4. I took out the 2x squared minus 2 cubed, but I only took out one of these, so I'm left with 2x squared plus 1. Okay, now let's put this together here. So this is going to be 4x, 2x squared plus 1 squared, 2x squared minus 2 cubed, multiplied by, okay, well now we're going to get 6x squared and 8x squared, so that's going to be 14x squared here, minus 6 plus 4. Okay, well minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2. Okay, now what do we do with this? We could simplify this a little bit further by factoring out what's common to both those terms. And actually we could take out what's common here as well. We could take out the common 2. Actually, technically, I probably should. So what we're going to end up doing here is taking out, for example, an 8 out of here. The 2 out of here, when I factor that out, is going to be cubed. So I'm going to take out an 8, and then I'm going to take out another 2 out of here. So that's going to take out 16 times 4. I just want to make sure that I'm going to do this right, because I'm doing this all here. So that's going to end up being 64. So 64x, 2x squared plus 1 squared times x squared minus 1 cubed times 7x squared minus 1. All right, again, a lot of algebra going on there, but that's the nature of calculus.